Hi there, folks, and in this video I'm going to be talking how do you set up and run successfully a mastermind group for your membership website. It's a great subject, got some great insights. I'll be back in a few seconds, folks. We're coming back. So like I said in the intro, how do you set up a successful mastermind group in your membership website? Well, first thing you got to remember is it's going to take a lot of work. And you really got to understand what you are really offering in your mastermind group. And normally it's more personal interaction and access to you, the expert. There should be tiers inside your membership website, and the higher the tier connected to price, the more access the student should have to you in a quasi or fully one-to-one scenario. Now, with mastermind groups, they're not going to have that one-to-one, but they should have the next tier up to what access they have through video, through written medium, through you designing the quizzes and all the gamification of the membership website. There's a number of factors, but it's you, the creator of the course, that done all those things. And then the next tier up is a mastermind group where they can ask you direct questions through software like Zoom, where you can have a regular monthly meeting of students that were part of your mastermind group. And you can offer specialized videos, increase written content around individuals that have met or passed certain elements of your course structure, which then you can then offer them the ability to enter your mastermind program. And then you have those that have successfully, because they can, I'm struggling here, but the fact is you could also add an element of course structure to the mastermind group. So the mastermind could be around a larger course, which the mastermind helps them to navigate and to pass. After they've done that, that would enable them to sign up for one-to-one. Or you could have you cannot have that structure at all. You could have just the basic course, or other courses, but if they want to join a mastermind group, they have to pay a certain increase in their monthly membership or annual fees. And if they want one-to-one on top of that, you can provide it, but at an extra charge. How you structure your mastermind is really down to you and the individuality of your student base and your particular audience. It's just a fantastic way of adding value for your membership website. And if the original content is of good enough value, it really does solve the problems of the students that enter it, you'll have no problems in, and of course, obviously, there's always the question around price, but there is no all-embracing way to judge how you should price your masterminds. You really have to look at other people in your particular sector or people that you feel offer a very similar standard of course and what they're charging, even if you do your research, initially it's still an educated guess. Nobody can tell you definitely how it's going to be responded. So you really got to have your thumb on the heart of the matter, and you might have to change it. But in general, as long as you're offering a really quality course and you're solving people's problems and you're getting enough students into the basic course, selling them a mastermind upsell is not going to be a problem. And selling them one-to-one coaching or accessibility to you is also not going to be a problem. And it really can make an enormous difference to the profitability of your membership site. You know, like I say, it's the mechanics, especially where I'm a WordPress junkie. I run a hosting and we build learning management courses for people that want to become e-learning entrepreneurs. So I've got a bias and I'm totally upfront to it. But this is what we do day in, day out. And the technology that will enable you to run masterminds, to organize them, has just, because of the pandemic and the amount of people now working from home, the technology and the infrastructure to actually run masterminds over the past couple of years has improved enormously, and also the cost has gone down. So it's definitely something you would consider. I've also written a great article on the WP-Tonic website. You'll find a link in the notes supporting this video. Look, if you're finding this video really of some value to, give me a thumbs up on the WP-Tonic YouTube channel and consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me. It motivates me to make more videos like this. So it's a win-win for you and for me. Also go to the WP-Tonic website. We've got a host of resources around to help the e-learning entrepreneur. Hopefully you found this interesting and helpful. I'll see you next time, folks. Bye.